Meet Contender, 13-foot 9-inch great white shark spotted off Nantucket. Shark Week 2025. Imagine spotting a 13-foot 9-inch great white shark gliding through the waters off Nantucket, only to realize it's still far from the ocean's true leviathans. This is the story of Contender, a male great white recently tracked by researchers, whose size has sparked fascination but also highlights a surprising truth. The real giants of the sea are often females. Let's dive in. A record for males, but not the final word. On July 18th, a massive male shark nicknamed Contender made headlines after being detected 100 miles off the Massachusetts coast. Weighing around 1,654 pounds, he's the largest male great white ever tagged by OCEARCH in the Western Atlantic, a notable achievement for scientists studying these apex predators. And yet, as experts quickly clarify, Contender isn't even close to the largest white shark on record. That title belongs to females, which can grow up to 20 feet or more. Why males don't match females? Here's where it gets controversial. Male great whites hit a size ceiling, typically reaching 11 to 13 feet, while females often surpass 18 feet. John Chisholm, a marine scientist with the New England Aquarium, explains, male sharks simply don't grow as large as their female counterparts. It's a biological reality. But why? Scientists believe this is linked to reproductive strategies. Females need size to carry and nurture offspring, while males prioritize agility for hunting. Tracking the giants, technology and triumph. OCEARCH, the non-profit behind Contender's tracking, uses cutting-edge spot, smart position and temperature transmitting tags to monitor these sharks' movements. These devices, attached to the dorsal fin, relay real-time data on location and water temperature. Since 2007, OCEARCH has tagged 446 sharks, including Contender, who was first tagged in January 2025 off the Georgia-Florida coast. Researchers were thrilled to see him resurface near Nantucket, offering clues about migration patterns. The real ocean typhons, female champions. Let's meet some of the true giants. Deep Blue, a 20-foot, 5,000-pound female filmed off Mexico's Guadalupe Island in 2013, is often cited as one of the largest. In 2019, Howley Girl, a 20-footer, was spotted near Hawaii. Closer to home, Nukumi, a 17-foot female tagged in Nova Scotia in 2020, adds to the Atlantic's roster of female titans. Even in New England, large Marge, 16 to 18 feet, and Curly, 18 feet, dominate the charts. A changing ocean, warming waters and seal populations. Cape Cod has become a hotspot for white sharks, especially in summer. But why now? Scientists point to two factors: the rebounding grey seal population, a key food source, and warming ocean temperatures linked to climate change. Smaller sharks are now being tracked in the region more frequently, suggesting they're adapting to warmer waters. Greg Scommel, a veteran shark researcher, has documented this shift since 2004, collaborating with the Atlantic White Shark Conservancy to better understand these patterns. More than just a predator, great whites are often misunderstood. While Jaws tainted them as mindless killers, they're actually vital to ocean health, controlling prey populations and maintaining balance. Chisholm emphasizes, sharks like Contender are part of a complex ecosystem. Their presence indicates a thriving marine environment. The mystery of size and longevity. One lingering question: how big can great whites get? Scientists don't know their maximum size or lifespan. An 18-foot shark, like large Marge, could be 50 to 80 years old, growing just an inch in length every few years. For every inch they gain in length, their girth increases dramatically, Chisholm notes. Could there be undiscovered giants lurking in the deep, challenging our current records? Follow the journey. Curious to track Contender's movements? OCEARCH offers a live tracker on its website. Meanwhile, the debate continues. Are we underestimating the true scale of these ocean giants? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think female sharks will forever hold the record, or is the next male Contender waiting in the shadows? Massive 14-foot great white shark spotted off Massachusetts coast. Imagine a 1,600-pound predator silently patrolling coastal waters. That's exactly what happened recently off Massachusetts. Meet Contender, the largest tagged great white shark in the Atlantic Ocean's recorded history. This 14-foot male heavyweight, estimated to be 32 years old, made headlines when its satellite tracking device registered 2 consecutive days of activity near Nantucket's bustling summer hotspot. 17 and 1718 pings. First tagged by non-profit researchers OCEARCH in January 2025 near the Georgia-Florida border, Contender's satellite-friendly spot tag attaches to his dorsal fin. This high-tech device sends geolocation data whenever his fin breaks the surface, providing scientists with real-time migration insights. Over its 5-year lifespan, the tag will help researchers map his North Atlantic travels while genetic samples like urogenital tissue undergo analysis to better understand shark biology. But here's where Contender's story gets fascinating. Since June 2023, this predator has wandered from North Carolina's Cape Hatteras to New England. His recent Massachusetts appearances coincide with a cultural irony. The 50th anniversary of Jaws, filmed nearby on Martha's Vineyard. While media anchors like Gene Levanchi humorously noted Contender's missed PR opportunity for visiting Nantucket instead of the Jaws' famous vineyard, marine experts view his movement as critically important. Contender isn't solo in New England waters. The Chatham-based Atlantic White Shark Conservancy reports multiple recent sightings across Cape Cod, the islands, and North Shore. Their interactive sharktivity map employs color-coded icons to categorize shark activity. Red alerts, confirmed beach proximity sightings, blue fins, nail-down shark sightings, orange fins, unconfirmed reports, yellow receivers. Acoustic tag wildlife monitors, purple detections, fresh genetic tag signals less than an hour old. Users can filter sightings within 48 hours, 30-day windows, or custom date ranges. This transparency helps locals stay informed without instilling unnecessary fear. Most people miss this. Great whites aren't indiscriminate killers. Marine biologist X challenges. Conservation efforts hinge on accurate tracking, not Jaws-style sensationalism. The Conservancy's Sharktivity app combines researcher data, public official reports, and user-uploaded photos to validate sightings. By engaging citizens in tracking, it promotes shark awareness while fostering scientific progress. Controversially, some debate whether enhanced tracking improves conservation or simply offers thrill-seeking fodder for beachgoers. While Contender's Massachusetts appearances grab headlines, his true significance lies in the data he provides. His migration patterns reveal critical information about shark travel corridors, habitat preferences, and interspecies interactions. OCEARCH's mission, to fill in the vast knowledge gaps about apex predators, gains momentum with each value-add sighting. But why should we care? Sharks are essential ocean ecosystem engineers, argues OCEARCH. Understanding their movements protects not just them, but entire marine food chains. Stay updated on Contender's journey through OCEARCH's tracker and explore real-time white shark activity via the Sharktivity platform. The question remains, will increased monitoring translate to better conservation policies or satisfy curiosity-driven voyeurism? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Click here to download the free Boston 25 News app for real-time updates and follow their team on Facebook and Twitter for breaking shark news. Giant 14-foot great white shark Contender spotted off Nantucket coast. Imagine coming face to face with one of nature's most awe-inspiring predators, the great white shark. On July 18th, a colossal 14-foot great white shark, weighing in at an impressive 1,653 pounds, sent a powerful ping from just off the coast of Nantucket, Massachusetts. But here's where it gets fascinating. This giant, known as Contender, is part of a groundbreaking global effort to unravel the mysteries of shark movements and behavior. Contender's journey began months earlier when it was tagged by OCEARCH, a renowned international non-profit dedicated to researching shark migration. The initial tagging took place on January 17th near the Florida-Georgia border, marking the start of what's shaping up to be an extraordinary tracking mission. For those unfamiliar, OCEARCH is focused on collecting valuable data to help scientists better understand where sharks go, why they migrate, and how these apex predators impact ocean ecosystems. The shark earned the name Contender as a tribute to Contender Boats, a key partner in this research endeavour that helps facilitate the tagging and tracking operations with their vessels. Contender measures nearly 14 feet, specifically 13.8 feet long, and its size alone commands respect and curiosity. Tracing Contender's recent travels paints a picture of its remarkable range. Prior to this Nantucket ping, the shark was detected on June 7th near the coast of North Carolina. Earlier in the year, back in February, it was spotted off Palm Bay, Florida. These pings track its movement along the eastern seaboard, revealing patterns that could offer insights into seasonal habits, feeding grounds, and possible breeding areas. What's more, the high-tech tag attached to Contender is designed to provide real-time data for up to 5 years, giving researchers a continuous stream of information to analyze. This kind of long-term monitoring is crucial as it allows scientists to observe changes over time, identify migration corridors, and even understand how human activity might be affecting these sharks. Are we getting closer to truly understanding these enigmatic creatures? Or does this kind of intense monitoring raise questions about how we interact with wildlife? Some might argue that tagging such powerful animals disrupts their natural behaviour. What's your take on this? For those intrigued by this majestic shark's journey, you can follow Contender's every move live online. Visit OCEARCH's dedicated tracking page at https://www.ocearch.org/tracker.detail.contender to witness firsthand how this great white charts its path through the Atlantic. It's a compelling glimpse into the life of a great white shark, and a testament to the blend of technology and conservation efforts shaping wildlife research today.